A fire station is going up in Goodyear and was built with the health of our firefighters in mind.
12 News journalist Jade Cunningham is joining us live from outside this brand new station with more on how they're making that a priority.
Hey, good morning, guys. Yeah, so the Goodyear Fire Department has at least 165 firefighters. That number has actually more than doubled in the past 17 years, and they are only expecting to see that number continue to rise. They do expect to have the fire department continue to grow in size with the addition of more firefighters. So having these 3 new fire stations that were recently built is something that is very exciting. This one here is actually the latest one that was recently built. It opened in January. It's located near West Van Buren and South Citrus Road. So a lot of excitement. And the fire chief tells me that having these 3 new fire stations during the process of building them, they had their firefighters in mind because they want to keep their fire teams and crews as healthy, as safe as possible. So they have included equipment to accomplish that. So they have 3 different zones in their new buildings. They're labeled red, yellow, and green. Green being a clean zone, free of carcinogens or cancer-causing substances, red being the dirtiest. So actually when firefighters get off the truck after responding to a call, they'll be able to wash their equipment with specialized machines. They'll be able to shower so they can enter a green zone, basically their living quarters, without worry. All 8 of their fire stations within the city of Goodyear also have a specialized vent system that helps capture the smoke and exhaust from their fire trucks, so the crews aren't breathing all that in. A firefighter's risk of getting cancer is about 9 to 10% higher than the average person, and they're also more prone to rare cancers. And the fire chief telling me that he tried to implement as much as he possibly could, again, to keep his staff healthy.
The city does that for all of its employees, but we wanted to make sure that our firefighters were as healthy as possible. We unfortunately had gone through some bouts of cancer with some of our firefighters. We lost Austin Peck to cancer in 2019, very young, a very rare cancer. And it was very unfortunate to kind of see that happen. And we wanted to make sure that we had put measures in place to keep our employees as healthy and safe as possible.
Now, in addition to trying to keep their staff as healthy and safe as possible, these 3 new fire stations were also strategically placed across the city of Goodyear. So coming up in about an hour, we're going to focus more on the response times and how fire officials are saying it's helping with that. Reporting live, Jay Cunningham, 12 News Today in AZ.